Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite smartphone. In this video, we'll learn how you can use S-Pen in your phone Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. There are various features in your S-Pen. You have to take S-Pen from here. Just push down and S-Pen will come out. Just take it out and now click here. You can create one note here and you can write whatever you want. If you want to take some notes, just you can take note of this and you can use. Here I write my website name www.faculty.com. Click here and you can select different pens. Also you can change color. Also you can change the thickness of your writing. Just you can scroll like this and you can use on the empty space. So here I write, hi, welcome to facultyon.com. Here I change color and thickness of text. Next I select another pen. Here I change color. To change thickness, use here and write whatever you want. I write, hello, how are you? This time I use this pen and changing the thickness, changing the color and writing like this. Also you can undo your action. Click here for undoing. Here you can increase the transparency of the note. Click here for saving your note. Click here and you can take a screenshot. In the screenshot itself, you can write anything. I write my name and click on save. Or you can share it to your friends directly from here. So this is a screenshot. Also you have several other features in S-Pen here. Click here and this is live messages, that is you can take a photo and you can write anything on the photo. I take a photo now and over the photo you can write whatever you want. Here I write, hello, how are you? You can directly send this message to anybody and yes, after clicking done, it's playing like this. So if you send this picture, this will be playing. You can also locate the folder where this is saved. Then AR Doodle. Here also you can take a video and write anything on the video. So you can make use of a video very funny. In this way you can easily use your S-Pen features in your phone Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.